guys, welcome to a new how-to video. Today's video is all about how to back up your iMessages, how to make sure you turn on that tab and get them all synced over to every single one of your devices and make sure that you can restore them whenever you want. So all you're going to do is you're going to go to your settings tab, click on your name, click on the iCloud option and scroll down until you see iMessage. All you want to do is make sure that that green tab is turned on, and that's pretty much it. The first time that you do this, you want to be plugged into the cable for power and you want to be connected to Wi-Fi. This will sync everything up and make sure that all your iMessages are backed up and in the cloud. Now when you sign into another device doing the same thing, plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi, it will synchronize every one of those iMessages up and down to the cloud. If you've got a different message on one, it will sync it and vice versa. So if that's helpful for you guys, please click the thumbs up, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.